Welcome to Amsterdam!
Good morning! This is our breakfast today.
Good morning! It's December 21 today. It's our third day in Europe but second day in Amsterdam.
Yes.
Ngayon pupunta tayo sa Anne Frank Museum kasi may reservation kami ng 9:30 a.m.
Napanood nyo ba yun? Kasi
And then-
ako napanood ko yun.
And then after that, mag-ano tayo? Canal Cruise.
Yes.
Ang problema, ang forecast na naman today is raining.
Rainy na naman.
Kaya good luck talaga. Balak namin after mag-Canal Cruise is mag-Albert Kuipmarkt tayo. Yun yung isang mahabang street na puro pagkain. Pag umuulan, paano natin gagawin yun? Ang grabe, sobrang ginaw, hindi na nakakatuwa.
Parang hindi naman ako nga natutuwa. Yan.
So magka-Canal Cruise tayo later. Good luck. So itong nilalakaran natin na vicinity. Ito ang Jordan. Hallway. Ito ang Jordan. So, ganda dito. Sobra. Dito yung mga gandang, yung mga picturesque canals. Ganyan. Ayan, malapit na tayo sa bahay ni Anne Frank. So, si Anne Frank, sila yung Jewish family na na-capture ng mga Nazis nung World War II. Okay, pero bago sila na-capture, nagtago sila dito sa bahay na to for 2 years. Tapos ang liit-liit lang nung inistayan nila.
Correct.
Tapos ang dami nila.
Wow.
Yay, walang pila. So, here we are. Hi, English?
One?
Yeah. Two.
Yeah.
You've got some. Here you are. It's very easy to use. Just scan the numbers, and then you can listen to it like a phone.
Nandito na tayo sa Anne Frank Museum. Unfortunately, hindi pwede mag-video and mag-picture sa loob. But up to this point lang. Ganyan. Yan dating bahay ni Anne Frank. Saan sila nagtago during World War II. Ngayon punta natin yung kanyang statue. Nakakaiyak in fairness. Tapos ayoko tignan yung
Mag-enjoy tayo, pero
ayoko
parang
tignan yung mga mukha ng mga tao kasi naiiyak sila. Pag nakita ko ng taong naiiyak din ako.
Parang gusto ko rin umiyak.
Nakakahiyang umiyak. Ganon. Wait lang, ang ginaw! This is Anne Frank. Okay, so since maaga tayo natapos kay Anne Frank, 10 o'clock pa lang. So we have to wait until 12 p.m. para sa Canal Cruise. So, hanap tayo ng gagawin.
Coffee!
Sige, coffee tayo. Let's go.
Coffee.
Let's coffee ourselves. Busog ka pa.
Pero ako parang gusto kong maglakad muna. Parang isulit muna natin yung
Diyos ko, parang bumabagyo nga dito
yung
eh.
weather.
Parang ay, doon tayo sa sakay, Obi. Doon. That's the Anne Frank Museum. Ang haba na ng pila, buti maaga kami. And then, 12 o'clock, dyan kami sasakay for the Canal Cruise. Ganyan. Okay, so bumalik kami sa Anne Frank Museum kasi naiwan ni Arnold yung Van Stapel cookies. Sayang yon kasi isa pa lang yung nakain namin kagabi. And that's 6 cookies. Sayang yung 5. And 12 euros 50 yon. So, kailangan balikan, ganyan. Wala yung cookies. Wala yung cookies. Alam ko na kung saan mo naiwan. Doon nagpicture tayo dun sa bike.
Ayun, sinabit natin.
Sinabit natin dun sa bike kung nagpicture. Ang problema, hindi natin alam kung saan tayo nagpicture.
Tingnan
Na
natin
may
lahat.
bike.
Tingnan natin kung saan lahat may bike.
Nagpicture kasi kami kanina. Sinabit niya dun sa handle ng bike yung cookies. So, ilan ang bike dito sa Amsterdam? Mas marami pa yung bike sa population. Kahapon ko pa ito hinahanap sa Dam Square. Nandito pala siya malapit sa Anne Frank Museum. Must try kasi siya sa Amsterdam. So, tignan natin. I was looking for your store in Dam Square yesterday, but you don't have one there, right?
This store.
This store is in Dam
closed.
Oh, okay.
Only Thursday till Saturday.
Oh, okay.
I'm open. You want it with sauce or without?
With sauce, please.
Tartar sauce or garlic?
Tartar.
Tartar sauce. $5.50 before 50.
Thank you. 550.
Good luck sa gout.
Good luck sa gout.
Wow, I'm so excited. Oh, dami.
Yay! We're trying kibbeling. So, ayoko ng herring kasi nga mataas sa uric acid. Tsaka hilaw siya, malansa ang amoy. So, siguro ito, okay na rin. Pero hindi siya crispy.
Yes.
Hindi siya crispy. Masarap yung sauce.
Masarap ito.
Oh.
Okay, so... Masarap, lasang,
Nasaan na?
lasang fish fillet.
Malamang, fish fillet naman to literal. So literally fried fish fillet siya. Ako hindi ko lang alam kung anong klaseng fish. Yung laman na. So update lang dun sa nawawala naming Van Stapel. Hindi na namin siya nahanap.
Mabuti nga nakakain tayo.
Yay! We're ready to cruise the canals of Amsterdam. Merong free wine and cheese. But actually yung ticket namin, yun yung wala. Pero dito kami pinasakay. So,
Hindi naman kakalibre.
oo, correct.
I love it. Welcome aboard of the Old Queen. That's the name of this ship. My name is Omar. I will be the captain in this round together.
Well, people always remember my name, that's why they call me, excuse me. So here's how it works. You guys have the wristbands, that means that you guys with the wristbands have already free.
So same lang din pala yung boat. So pag nagbayad ka ng unlimited cheese and wine, that's 30 to 50. Actually, binayad lang namin is 20 euros, pero same boat. Dapat open boat canal tour. But since it's raining and it's windy, hindi sila pwede mag-open boat. So yan, kaya closed boat yan.
Welcome. What about you? Where are you from? England as well. Australia. Oh, you guys, where are you
We're from
from?
the Philippines.
Philippines.
That's so nice. Can we go to the Philippines? Because it's nice of weather.
Of course, sure.
Unless you got this.
Gusto niya malaman kung anong meron dun sa country. Hindi niya tayo tinanong. Sabihin ko sana, we have Pia Wurtzbach and Catriona Gray.
She's the reason I'm here.
So sabi niya, tong canals daw, may 3 layers. First layer, yung soil. Second layer, are bikes. And third layer, yung water. Ganyan. So ganun karaming bikes ang nahuhulog sa kanal. And it's normal. And
So may try. Cannabis.
Hindi ba ito?
Yan nga, yan eh. Pero hanap tayo iba.
so kakatapos lang namin ng canal tour. Ang
Such a
happy
great
niya.
experience.
Ang saya niya in fairness. So ngayon, papunta kami sa Rijksmuseum. So lalakarin namin hanggang Rijksmuseum. It's about 27 minutes. Pero pag nag-tram kami, konting lakad lang and then tram. Almost the same actually. Since walang ulan, take advantage na namin
Yung weather.
Yung weather.
Oh,
So mamaya pagbalik, biglang umulan. So
Saka na
magka-tram
kami mag-ano.
Correct.
Tram ba is bus yun? Diba?
Tram yung parang train na maliliit na
okay.
may cable sa taas, ganyan. Ginaw.